I am passionate about spending time with my family, being outdoors with my dog. It's really important to me that I make time for them. I think that splitting up work and home life is really important. How do I deal with stressors? Well, definitely. I've dealt with stress in different ways before, but as I've learned that helps for me is to take a deep breath. I also think that picking your battles is a big one, not necessarily getting stressed or upset over the little things, and then solving the issue calmly rather than being tense about it has really helped me. Some strengths that I have are that I am outgoing and I like to have fun while also being professional. I enjoy working hard and I take directions really well, especially when working with a team. The main weakness that I believe that I have is that I have a hard time taking charge in a situation. If I am given the reins, I have a hard time continuing on with them. Thank you so much and have a good day.